women, lactating women, and menstrual period women is forbidden to do the treatment. Next, I will introduce the opposition of the vaginal hive. First, we need to prepare these products. Disposable bed sheet, normal saline, alcohol or iodine tincture, condom and alcohol wipes, the gel and cotton swab, and the tweezers. Before the treatment, we need to disinfect. Use the medical alcohol or the iodine tincture to disinfect. Then we use the cotton ball to disinfect the vulva after cleansing. Pay attention that the disinfect needs at least 3 times. And then we should disinfect the airbag which is used for detection. And then we should put a condom on it. And then insert it to the vaginal carefully. Then start to detection the slugless. Totally, we need to detection 3 times. After the first detection, let the customer to relax for 6 seconds and then start the second detection. And also relax for 6 seconds for the third detection. And then take the average of the 3 detection for the slugless. Then we start to do the treatment after the detection. We could see the 2 cartridges for vaginal hive. The first is 4.5 mm and the second is 3 mm. We also do the treatment from the 4.5 mm cartridge. Now we connect this 4.5 cartridge to the handle first. The machine could recognize the cartridge automatically. And also we need to disinfect the cartridge. Use the normal saline. We should disinfect at least 3 times. And also put some gel on the conductive area. After that, we need to put a condom on it carefully. And use the cotton swab to soothe the gel area. We could see the upper left corner is 350 degrees. That means it rotates for a circle is 350 degrees. We only need to change the second item from 10 degrees. If it's not so slugless, we could adjust from 15 degrees or 20 degrees. Length is 25 mm. That's the standard. We don't need to adjust. About the pitch, we could adjust from 1.5. The power we also adjust from 0.4 and according to the customer's feel to increase the energy. However, as the Kelly field is low in vaginal, We need to pay attention that the enlarge should not adjust more than 1.2. After the parameters are set, we could start working. Just press ready, and we could see the handle will rotate automatically. And when the light is on, we could start the treatment. And we insert it to the vaginal. Then we press the start on the screen, and also press the button on the handle. It will work automatically. After one shooting, it will rotate automatically. And then we start the second shooting. Just in this way to do the treatment. And after it rotates for a circle, we need to pull the handle out. For 25 mm, we could see the scale mark on the cartridge. Just pull out for 25 mm and do the lax circle treatment. When the second circle is finished, we use the same way to pull the handle out and do the lax circle treatment. When do the last circle treatment, if we pull out the handle and could see the black conductive area, we need to push it in until we couldn't see it, and then start the treatment. When we finish the treatment of 4.5 cartridge, we need to change the 3 mm cartridge to do the lax treatment in the same way. After all the treatment finished, we use the airbag to do the detection in the same way. We could see the slackness is improved. The woman who is suffering cervical erosion of the second degree is forbidden to do the vaginal hive treatment. After treatment, there are some items need to notice. First important is forbidden to have sexual life in 1 week. The pregnant woman, lactation period woman, menstrual period woman is forbidden to do the vaginal hive treatment. Besides that, we couldn't take a bath in the hot spring or swimming at public pool